Hey, before you buy the Life and Success Planner, I thought you'd want to have a scroll through to see what's inside. Some instructions, a little bit about me as usual, and then first, we actually reflect on the last 5 years, 2020 to 2024. I've been making this planner since 2017, so if you've been buying this since then, you might have some notebooks to refer to. And then after reflecting, we project into 2025 to 2029. This used to be annual, but now it's going to be for the next 5 years. Basically, everything you want to achieve before you hit 2030, including ideas about the next 5 years of holidays, books you want to read in the next 5 years. Obviously, you don't need to fill this out all in one go. And some stuff you'll want to be planning all the way through for 5 years now. But other stuff, you will want to just fill it in when it's just the year before, like the books. That's something. The calendar has 2025, and can you see here you move into 2026. 2026 rolls into 2027. That rolls into 2028, which rolls into 2029. And hopefully by December 2029, you'll be rocking and rolling. So this is everything that's in there, 124 pages. It'll help to keep you accountable, and I hope you enjoy it.